Welcome to aminacademy.com and cognitive psychology. Let us discuss about application of cognition and law. Numerous innocent people have been sent to jail based directly or indirectly on normal but flawed human perceptions, memory, and decision making. Current cognitive science research addresses the issues that are directly relevant to the connection between normal cognitive functions and such judicial errors, and suggest means by which the false conviction rate could be reduced. Here we illustrate how this can be achieved by reviewing recent work in two related areas, that is eyewitness testimony and fingerprint analysis. We articulate problems in these areas with reference to specific legal cases and demonstrate to how recent findings can be used to address them. We also discuss how researchers can translate their conclusions into language and ideas that can influence and improve the legal system. Now let us discuss further detail about it. Cognitive psychology, the study of mental processes like perceptions, memory, and thinking, has significant application in understanding and improving the legal system. By examining how people think, remember, and make decisions, cognitive psychology can shed light on potential biases, errors, and inefficiencies within legal processes, ultimately contributing to a fairer and more accurate justice system. Several academic sources point out that the application of cognitive psychology to law is a growing field of research. Eyewitness testimony. Cognitive psychology has demonstrated the fallibility of human memory, particularly under stress. Eyewitnesses can be influenced by factors like leading questions, the presence of weapons, or even the passage of time, leading to inaccurate identifications. Research in this area can help inform legal professionals about the limitation of eyewitness account and how to assess their reliability. For instance, studies have shown that the way questions are phrased can significantly impact the accuracy of witnesses' memory of events. Can eyewitness can trust eyewitness testimony? Eyewitness testimony, a key area in cognitive psychology and law, involves accounts from individuals who have witnessed an event. While juries often find this testimony compelling, research reveals it's susceptible to errors and biases, making it a complex topic in legal proceedings. Cognitive psychology explores how these errors occur, impacting the reliability of eyewitness accounts. Memory and learning. Cognitive psychology explores how memories are formed, stored, and retrieved. This knowledge is crucial in understanding how people learn on certain information, written information, which is relevant in various legal contexts, including jury selections. Understanding how people process information and make decisions can help in selecting jurors who are more likely to be impartial and attentive to evidence. Evidence presentations. Lawyers can use principles of memory and learning to present evidence in a way that is more easily understood and retained by jurors. Cognitive biases. Recognizing biases that can affect decision making is essential in legal settings. For example, the confirmation bias can lead people to seek out and interpret information that confirms their existing beliefs, potentially affecting their judgment. Decision making. Cognitive psychology studies how people make decisions, including the biases and heuristics that can influence those decisions. In law, this is relevant to understand how judges, juries, and even legal professionals make decisions. For example, loss aversion, the tendency to feel the pain of loss more strongly than the pleasure of an equivalent gain, can influence legal settlement and plea bargains. Legal language and reasoning. The way legal language is structured and the way legal arguments are presented can affect comprehensions and interpretations. Cognitive psychology can help analyze how people understand and process legal language, including the ambiguous terms and complex legal concepts. Studies in this area can inform the development of clearer and more accessible legal documents and communication strategies. Cognitive psychology explores how the mind works, including legal language and reasoning. It examines how people understand, process, and apply legal information, including the influence of biases and cognitive limitations on legal decision making. Understanding this cognitive process is crucial for improving legal systems, ensuring fair judgments, and enhancing the effectiveness of legal communication. Improving legal processes. Cognitive psychology can be used to design more effective legal procedures and practices. This includes developing strategies for interviewing witnesses, presenting evidence, and conducting trial in a way that minimizes cognitive biases and errors. In conclusion, we can say that cognitive psychology offers valuable insights into the human mind that can be applied to improve the fairness, accuracy, and efficiency of the legal system. By understanding how people pursue, remember, and make decisions, legal professionals can better address the limitations of human cognition and work towards a more and effective legal processes. So far, we discussed about in cognitive psychology the application of cognition and law. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.